Welcome to our channel, where today we'll guide you through the easiest way to log in to your Survey Junkie account. Welcome to our channel, where today we'll guide you through the easiest way to log in to your Survey Junkie account. If you are new to Survey Junkie or have faced difficulties logging in, this step-by-step method will help you access your account quickly and safely. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Survey Junkie website by typing www.surveyjunkie.com in the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button usually located at the top right corner of the page and click on it. You will be directed to the Login page where you need to enter your registered email address in the email field. Make sure that the email address you enter is the one you used during your Survey Junkie registration to avoid any login issues. Next, enter your password carefully in the password field. If you wish to stay logged in on the device, check the box that says Remember Me, but only do this on a personal and secure device. After filling in your login credentials, double-check for any typing errors to prevent failed login attempts. Then click the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your Survey Junkie dashboard where you can start participating in surveys and earning points. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login form. Enter your registered email address to receive a password reset link and follow the instructions sent to your email to set up a new password. Also, if you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and filling out the registration form with your personal details. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection while logging in for a smoother experience. Lastly, keep your login credentials safe and never share your password with others to protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember these simple steps to log in to your Survey Junkie account without any hassle and start making the most out of the platform today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tips and guides.